Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So today I'd like to show you two different ways, and let's start with the quickest one, so the secret code. We have to open the dialer and tap on the keypad, and then enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Now let me show you how to check it with the usage of the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here we have to scroll down to find both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.